Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 211 Denham Street. This home is super cute inside. Let's go and take a quick look. With all the usual charm you'd expect from a gable like this, beautiful timber floors and tongue and groove walls, what I love the most is the space with 3 genuine bedrooms and a spacious sleep out. How wonderfully cute is 211 Denham Street here on the range. If we can help you own this great home, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.